Good morning, dear students. Let's discuss physics MCQ of NEET exam. These MCQs from NEET 2022 exam. Question number 1. Two hollow conducting sphere of radii R1 and R2, where R1 is more than R2, have equal charges. The potential would be option 1 more on smaller sphere, option 2 equal on both sphere, option 3 dependent on the material property of the sphere, option 4 more on bigger sphere. The correct answer is option 1 more on smaller sphere. Question number 2. The angular speed of a flywheel moving with uniform angular acceleration changes from 1200 rpm round per minute to 3120 rpm in 16 seconds. The angular acceleration in rad per second square is option 1 4 pi, option 2 12 pi, option 3 104 pi, option 4 2 pi. The correct answer is option 1 4 pi. Next, question number 3. PNPN, PNNP, NPNP. In the given circuit ABC, the potential drop across the two PN junction are equal in option 1 circuit B only, option 2 circuit C only, option 3 both circuit A and C only, option 4 circuit A only. The correct answer is option 3 both circuit A and C only. Question number 4. Two objects of mass 10 kg and 20 kg respectively are connected to the two ends of a rigid rod of length 10 meter with negligible mass. The distance of the center of mass of the system from 10 kg mass is option 1 20 by 3 meter, option 2 10 meter, option 3 5 meter, option 4 10 by 3 meter. The correct answer is option 1 20 by 3 meter. Question number 5. A biconvex lens has a radii of curvature 20 cm each. If refractive index of the material of the lens is 1.5, the power of the lens is option 1 20 diopter, option 2 plus 5 diopter, option 3 infinity, option 4 plus 2 diopter. The correct answer of this question is option 2 plus 5 diopter. Question number 6. A spherical ball is dropped in a long column of a highly viscous liquid. The curve in the graph shown, which represent the speed of the ball v as a function of time t, is option 1 B, option C, option 3 D, option 4 A. The right answer is option 1 B curve showing the speed of ball and time, function of time with t. Correct answer is option 1 B. Next, question number 7. The ratio of radius of gyration of a thin uniform disk about an axis passing through its center and the normal to its plane to the radius of gyration of the disk about its diameter is option 1 root 2 ratio 1, option 2 4 ratio 1, option 3 1 ratio root 2, option 4 2 ratio 1. The correct answer is option 1 root 2 ratio 1. Next, question number 8. A cell of mass m is at rest initially. It explodes into 3 fragments having mass in the ratio 2 ratio 2 ratio 1. If the fragment having equal mass fly off along mutually perpendicular directions with speed v, the speed of the third lighter fragment is option 1 root 2v, Option 2, 2 root 2v. Option 3, 3 root 2v. Option 4, v. The correct answer is option 2, 2 root 2v. Question number 9. A long solenoid of radii 1 mm has 100 turns per mm. If a current of 1 ampere flow in the solenoid, the magnetic field strength at the center of the solenoid is option 1, 12.56 into 10 raised to power minus 2t. Option 2, 12.56 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Tesla. Option 3, 6.28 into 10 raised to power minus 4t. Option 4, 6.28 into 10 raised to power minus 2 Tesla. The correct answer of this question is option 1, 12.56 into 10 raised to power minus 2 Tesla. Question number 10. Let T1 and T2 be the energy of an electron in the first and second excited state of hydrogen atom respectively. According to the Bohr model of an atom, the ratio T1 ratio T2 is option 1, 4:1, option 2, 4:9, option 3, 9:4, option 4, 1:4. The correct answer is option 3, 9:4. Question 11. A light ray fall on a glass surface of refractive index root 3 at an angle 60 degree. The angle between the refracted and reflected ray would be option 1, 60 degree, option 2, 90 degree, option 3, 120 degree, option 4, 30 degree. The correct answer of this question is option 2, 90 degree. Next, question number 12. If a soap bubble expands, the pressure inside the bubble is option 1 increase, option 2 remains the same, option 3 is equal to the atmospheric pressure, option 4 decreases. The correct answer option number 4 decreases. Question number 13. Plane angle and solid angle have option 1 dimensions but no unit, option 2 no unit and no dimensions, option 3 both unit and dimensions, option 4 unit but no dimension. The correct answer of this question option 4 units but no directions, no dimensions. Question number 13 correct answer is option number 4 units but no dimensions. Question number 14. When light propagates through a material medium of refractive relative permittivity here and relative permeability mu r, the velocity of light v is given by bracket c is the velocity of light in vacuum. So option 1 v is equal to under root mu r upon 1, option 2 root mu upon e upon mu, option 3 is equal to c upon mu into e, option 4 v is equal to c. The correct answer of this question option 3 v is equal to c upon under root e into mu. Question number 15. Two resistors of resistance 100 ohm and 200 ohm are connected in parallel in an electric circuit. The ratio of the thermal energy developed in 100 ohm to that in 200 ohm is given in a given time is option 1 2:1, option 2 1:4, option 3 4:1, option 4 1:2. The correct answer option 1 2:1. Next question number 16. The graph which shows the variation of the de Broglie wavelength lambda of a particle and its associated momentum p is option 1 slanting line down, option 2 graph showing gradually and then sharply increasing curve line, of graph 3 showing curve value decreases sharply, graph 4 option showing slanting line which shows value increasing uniformly. The correct answer option 3. Option 3 graph is correct. Question number 17. A square loop of side 1 meter and resistance 1 ohm is placed in a circular field of 0.5 Tesla. If the plane of loop is perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field, the magnetic flux through the loop is option 1 0.5 Weber, option 2 1 Weber, option 3 0 Weber, option 4 2 Weber. The correct answer option 1 0.5 Weber. Question number 18. The dimensions m1 l1 t minus 2 a minus 2 belongs to the option 1 self inductance, option 2 magnetic permeability, option 3 electric permittivity, option 4 magnetic flux. The correct answer option 2 magnetic permeability. Next question number 19. When two monochromatic light of frequency mu and mu by 2 are incident on a photoelectric metal, their stopping potential become Vs by 2 and Vs respectively. The threshold frequency for this metal is option 1 3 mu, option 2 2 by 3 mu, option 3 3 by 2 mu, option 4 2 mu. The correct answer of this question is option 3 3 by 2 mu. Question number 20. In half-wave rectification, if the input frequency is 60 Hz, then the output frequency would be option 1 30 Hz, option 2 60 Hz, option 3 120 Hz, option 4 0. The correct answer option 2 60 Hz. Question number 21. An ideal gas undergoes 4 different processes from the same initial state as shown in the figure below. Those processes are adiabatic, isothermal, isobaric and isochoric. The curve which represents the adiabatic process among 1, 2, 3 and 4 is option 1, 2, option 2, 3, option 4, 3, 4, option 4, 1. The correct answer is option 1, curve number 2. Question number 22. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 electromagnetic wave, AM radio wave, microwaves, infrared radiation, X-rays. List 2 wavelength 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, 10 raised to power 2 meter, 10 raised to power minus 2 meter, 10 raised to power minus 4 meter. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The correct answer of this question is option number 3, means electromagnetic radio waves having wavelength 10 raised to power 2 meter up to 100 meter. Then microwaves have wavelength of 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. It means it is up to 1 centimeter. And infrared radiations have wavelength 10 raised to power minus 4 meter. X-rays is having wavelength of 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Next question number 23. The displacement time graph of two moving particle make angles of 30 degree and 45 degree with the x-axis as shown in the figure. The ratio of their respective velocity is option 1 1 ratio 1, option 2 1 ratio 2, option 3 1 ratio root 3, option 4 root 3 ratio 1. The correct answer of this question is option 3 1 ratio root 3. Next question number 24. In a young double slit experiment, a student observed 8 fringes in a certain segment of screen when a monochromatic light of 600 nanometer wavelength is used. If the wavelength of light is changed to 400 nanometer, then the number of fringes he would observe in the same region of the screen is option 1 8, option 2 9, option 3 12, option 4 6. The correct answer of this question is option number 3 12. Next question number 25. The peak voltage of the AC source is equal to option 1 the RMS value of the AC source, option 2 the root 2 times the RMS value of the AC source, option 3 1 by root 2 times the RMS value of the AC source, option 4 the value of voltage supplied to the current to the circuit. The correct answer is option 2 root 2 times the RMS value of the AC source. Question number 26. If the initial tension on a stretched string is doubled, then the ratio of the initial and final speed of a transverse wave along the string is option 1 root 2 ratio 1, option 2 1 ratio root 2, option 3 1 ratio 2, option 4 1 ratio 1. The correct answer of this question is option 2 1 ratio root 2. Question number 27. Given below are the two statements. Statement 1 Biot-Savart law gives us the expression for the magnetic field strength of an infinitesimal current element of a current carrying conductor only. Statement 2 Biot-Savart's law is analogous to Coulomb's inverse square law of charge Q, with the former being related to the field produced by a scalar source ideal, while the latter being produced by a vector source Q. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Option 1 both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Option 2 statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect. Option 3 statement 1 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct. Option 4 both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. The right answer of this question is option 2 statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Next question number 28. As the temperature increases, the electrical resistance option 1 decreases for both conductor and semiconductor, option 2 increases for conductor but decreases for semiconductors, option 3 decreases for conductor but increases for semiconductor, option 4 increases for both conductor and semiconductor. The right answer of this question is option 2 increases for conductor but decreases for semiconductors. Question number 29. The energy that will be ideally radiated by a 100 kilowatt transmitter in 1 hour is option 1 36 into 10 raised to power 4 joule, option 2 36 into 10 raised to power 5 joule, option 3 1 into 10 raised to power 5 joule, option 4 36 into 10 raised to power 7 joule. The right answer of this question is option number 4. It is 36 into 10 raised to power 7 joule. Question number 30. A body of mass 60 gram experiences a gravitational force of 3 Newton When placed at a particular point, the magnitude of the gravitational field intensity at that point is option 1 50 Newton per kg, option 2 20 Newton per kg, option 3 180 Newton per kg, option 4 0.05 Newton per kg. The right answer of this question is option number 1 50 Newton per kg. Question number 31. In the given nuclear reaction, the element X is reaction is 11 sodium, the mass number is 22, give rise to X element plus 1 electropositive species plus V. So option 1 is Ne, atomic number 10 with atomic mass 23. Option 2 neon with atomic number 10 and atomic mass 22. Option number 3 magnesium, atomic number 12 and atomic mass 22. Option number 4 sodium with atomic number 11 and atomic mass 23. The correct answer of this question is option 2 neon with atomic number 10 and atomic mass 22. Next, question number 32. The angle between the electric lines of force and the equipotential surface is option number 45 degree, option 2 90 degree, option 3 180 degree, option 4 0 degree. The correct answer of this question is option 2 90 degree. Question number 33. A copper wire of length 10 meter and radius 10 raised to power minus 2 by root pi meter has electric resistance of 10 ohm. The current density in the wire for an electric field strength of 10 volt per meter is option 1 10 raised to power 6 ampere per meter square, option 2 10 raised to power minus 5 ampere per meter square, option 3 10 raised to power 5 ampere per meter square, option 4 10 raised to power 4 ampere per meter square. The correct answer of this question is option number 3 10 raised to power 5 ampere per meter square. Next, question number 34. The ratio of distance traveled by a freely falling body in the first and second and third and fourth second. Option 1 1 ratio 4 ratio 9 ratio 16. Option 2 1 ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 7. Option 3 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Option 4 1 ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. The correct answer of this question option 2 1 ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 7. Question number 35. An electric lift with a maximum load of 2000 kg. Lift plus passenger is moving up with a constant speed of 1.5 meter per second. The frictional force opposing the motion is 3000 Newton. The minimum power delivered by the motor to the lift in watts is option 1 20,000, option 2 34,500, option 3 23,500, option 4 23,000. The correct answer is option 2 34,500. Next, question number 36. The volume occupied by the volume molecules contained in a 4.5 kg water at standard temperature pressure. The intermolecular forces vanish away is option 1 5.6 into 10 raised to power 3 meter cube, option 2 5.6 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube, option 3 5.6 meter cube, option 4 5.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meter cube. The correct answer option 3 5.6 meter cube. Question number 37. The area of rectangular field in meter square of length 55.3 meter and breadth 25 meter After rounding off the value for correct significant digits is option 1 1382, option 2 1382.5, option 3 14 into 10 raised to power 2, option 4 138 into 10 raised to power 1. The right answer is option 3 14 into 10 raised to power 2. Question number 38. A capacitor of capacitance C is equal to 900 picofarad is charged fully by 100-volt battery B as shown in the figure A. Then it is connected from the battery and connected to another uncharged capacitor of capacitance C is equal to 900 picofarad as shown in figure B. The electrostatic energy stored by the system B is option 1 3.25 into 10 raised to power minus 6 joule, option 2 2.25 into 10 raised to power minus 6 joule, option 3 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6 joule, option 4 4.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6 joule. The right answer of this question is option number 2 2.25 into 10 raised to power minus 6 joule. Question number 39. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 gravitational constant, gravitational potential energy, gravitational potential, gravitational intensity. List 2 L2 T minus 2, M minus 1 L3 T minus 2, L T minus 2, M L2 T minus 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The right answer of this question is option 1, means gravitational constant G is matched with option 2nd of list 2. Gravitational constant have M minus 1, L3 and T minus 2, and gravitational potential energy have option 4 M, L2 and T minus 2. Option 3 gravitational potential have dimensions option 1 L2 T minus 2. Option 4 that is gravitational intensity is matched with option 3 from list 2 L T minus 2. Next question number 40. Two pendulums of length 121 cm and 100 cm start vibrating in phase. At some instant, the two are at their mean position in the same phase. The minimum number of vibrations of the shorter pendulum, after which the two are again in the phase at the mean position, is option 1 9, option 2 10, option 3 8, option 4 11. The right answer of this question is option 4 11. Question number 41. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is labeled as reason. R. First assertion: the stretching of a spring is determined by the shear modulus of the material of a spring. Reason: a coil spring of copper has more tensile strength than a steel spring of the same dimension. In the light of our statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Option 1 both A and R true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Option 2 A is true, R is false. Option 3 A is false, R is true. Option 4 both A and R true and R is correct explanation of A. The right answer of this question is option number 2 A is true and R is false. Next question number 42. A ball is projected with a velocity 10 meter per second at an angle of 60. With the vertical direction, its speed at the highest point of its trajectory will be option 1 5 under root 3 meter per second, option 2 5 meter per second, Option 3, 10 meter per second. Option 4, 0. The correct answer is option 1, 5 root 3 per meter per second. Question number 43. Two transparent media A and B are separated by a plane boundary. The speed of light in those media are 1.5 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second and 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second respectively. The critical angle for a ray of light for these two media is option 1, sin inverse 0.750, option 2, tan inverse 0.500, option 3, tan inverse 0.750, option 4, sin inverse 0.500. The correct answer of this question is option 1, sin inverse 0.750. Next, question number 44. As you are seeing a diagram, circuit diagram, the truth table for the given logic circuit is option 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer of this question is option 2, in which A, B, C, A have 0, 0, then C is equal to 1, B have 1, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Next, question number 45. A series LCR circuit with inductance 10H and capacitance 10 microfarad. Resistance 50 ohm is connected to an AC source of voltage V is equal to 200 sin 100 t volt. If the resonant frequency of the LCR circuit is mu naught and the frequency of the AC source is mu, then option 1, mu naught equal to mu equal to 50 by pi hertz. Option 2, mu naught equal to 50 by pi hertz and mu is equal to 50 hertz. Option 3, mu is equal to 100 hertz and mu naught is equal to 100 by pi hertz. Option 4, mu naught equal to 50 hertz. The correct answer of this question is option 1, mu naught is equal to 50 by pi hertz. Question number 46. A Wheatstone bridge is used to determine the value of unknown resistance X by adjusting the variable resistance Y as shown in the figure for the most precise measurement of X, the resistance P and Q. Diagram. Then option 1 should be approximately equal and are small. Option 2 should be very large and unequal. Option 3 do not play any distinct significant role. Option 4 should be approximately equal to 2x. The right answer of this question is option number 1, should be approximately equal and are small. Next, question number 47. From Ampere's circuital law, for a long straight wire of circular cross section carrying a steady current, the variation of magnetic field in the inside and outside region of the wire is option 1, a linearly increasing function of distance up to the boundary of the wire and then linearly decreasing for the outside region. Option 2, a linearly increasing function of distance r up to the boundary of the wire and then decreasing 1 with 1 by r dependence for the outside region. Option 3, a linearly decreasing function of distance up to the boundary of the wire and then a linearly increasing one for the outside region. Option 4, uniform and remain constant for both the regions? Correct answer is option 2, a linearly increasing function of distance r up to the boundary of the wire and then decreasing 1 with 1 by r dependence for the outside region. Next, question number 48. A big circular coil of 1000 turn and average radius 10 meter is rotating about its horizontal diameter at 2 rad per second. If the vertical component of the Earth's magnetic field at that place is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Tesla and electrical resistance of the coil is 12.56 ohm, then the maximum induced current in the coil will be option 1 1.5 ampere, option 2 1 ampere, option 3 2 ampere, option 4 0.25 ampere. The correct answer option 2 1 ampere. Next, question number 49. 2 points charges minus q and plus q are placed at a distance of L as shown in the figure. The magnitude of electric current intensity at a distance r, here r is more than L, varies as option 1 1 by r cube, option 2 1 by r raised to power 4, option 3 1 by r raised to power 6, option 4 1 by r raised to power 2. The correct answer is option 1 1 upon r raised to power 3. Next, question number 50. A nucleus of mass number 189 split into two nuclei having mass number 125 and 64. The ratio of radius of the two daughter nuclei respectively, option 1 4 upon 5 4 ratio 5, option 2 5 ratio 4, option 3 25 ratio 16, option 4 1 ratio 1. The correct answer is option 2 5 ratio 4. This video is up to here. Revise it. It will help you, dear NEET aspirants. If you have any query, any question, you can write in comment. Thank you for watching this video.